In this video, we are going to see a problem or example from the trigonometric identities. That is sin theta minus, this is example 15. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. This is the question. With the left hand side, we are going to prove the right hand side. So first let's take the left hand side. What is the left hand side? Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. This is the left hand side. So first of all, we are going to divide each element by cos theta. So dividing by cos theta, we get sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus, cos theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta divided by sin theta by cos theta again plus cos theta by cos theta and minus 1 by cos theta. So we are going to divide each element by cos theta. So first, sin theta by cos theta. What is sin theta by cos theta? It is tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta minus cos theta by cos theta is 1 plus 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta is secant theta. So tan theta minus 1 plus secant theta by again sin theta by cos theta is again tan theta plus cos theta by cos theta is 1 and 1 by cos theta is minus secant theta. So we have derived with tan theta and secant theta up to here. Now after this, we will bring secant theta to this side and write as tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. You know why we are segregating these both and bringing 1? Because instead of 1, we are going to write it as secant square theta minus tan square theta, because 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. This is the identity which we have learnt. One of the identities is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So instead of 1, let us bring tan square theta to the other side. So 1 will be equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. So why we are segregating is, instead of 1, we will be replacing it with secant square theta minus tan square theta. So in the next step, tan theta plus secant theta minus, instead of 1, we are writing it as secant square theta minus tan square theta divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Right? Understood? Instead of 1, we will be replacing it with secant square minus tan square theta with the help of the identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So what is this format, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta? It is in the format of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? It is a plus b into a minus b. So we have secant square theta minus tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. It is a square minus b square format. So let's write it as tan theta plus secant theta minus, instead of secant square theta minus tan square theta, we will be writing it as secant theta plus tan theta, that is a plus b into a minus b. Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now we have tan theta plus secant theta here and also secant theta plus tan theta common in both the elements. So let's take tan theta plus secant theta outside. Tan theta plus secant theta, we'll take it outside. inside we will have, instead of this tan theta plus secant theta, we will be writing it as 1. Instead of this tan theta plus secant theta, we will be writing it as 1. Just multiply and see. Tan theta plus secant theta into 1, we will get this tan theta plus secant theta. So instead of this, we will be writing it as 1 minus, here secant theta plus tan theta is taken outside. So we are left only with secant theta minus tan theta. So 1 minus secant theta minus tan theta. Understood? We are taking tan theta plus secant theta outside. So instead of this, we will be left with 1 and minus, instead of secant theta plus tan theta, this element, secant theta plus tan theta is taken outside. So we will be left only with secant theta minus tan theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. I will tell you one example for this understanding. Suppose we have 8 plus 8a plus 16b. We will take 8 outside. When we take 8 outside, we will be left only with 1a because 8 is already taken outside, plus instead of 16 we will have 2b. Similarly, here we are taking tan theta plus secant theta outside, and inside we will have 1 minus secant theta minus tan theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So, next step, tan theta plus secant theta into 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta, because minus into plus, this is plus. So, minus into plus minus secant theta, minus into minus tan theta, it is plus tan theta, divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So, this and this will get cancelled because plus tan theta minus secant theta and plus 1, this both will get cancelled. We are left with tan theta plus secant theta. But what we need is 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. This is what we have to prove. But we are left with tan theta plus secant theta. So, let's assume that it is divided by 1. It's not assumption, it is true that tan theta plus secant theta is divided. If nothing is given in the denominator, it is 1. So, instead of 1, let us write tan theta plus secant theta. Instead of 1, we are again writing it as secant square theta minus tan square theta. Instead of 1, because 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. So, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So, instead of 1, we are bringing tan square to the other side. So, 1 is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. Again, a square minus b square format. So, tan theta plus secant theta by secant theta plus tan theta, that is a square minus b square format, a plus b into a minus b. So, a plus b secant theta plus tan theta into a minus b secant theta minus tan theta. Tan theta plus secant theta and tan theta plus secant theta gets cancelled, and we are left with the right hand side, that is 1 by secant theta minus tan theta, and hence the proof. So, with the help of the identities and with the help of the trigonometric ratios, we are able to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So, 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Friends, if you like this video, please click the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you.